Good morning friends, welcome to our channel Wealthy with Multibagger. So today we are going to see the fundamental analysis of one of the multibagger healthcare company. You can see the chart on the particular company in this screen. This is the last 10-year chart of this company, more than 10 year you can say. Right now the company price is moving around 120, okay, but this company went deep in the 2020 when the fall down was happened, but after that the very good growth shown by this particular company. Let's see more information. So if you talk about this particular company, the current price of this particular company is showing just rupees 116, market cap rupees 38.7 crore, price to earning ratio only 4.66. that is very good. The price to earning ratio, it means that if you pay 4.66 rupees, you will earn 1 rupees. Book value of this particular company is showing 84.2. The current price is almost near to the particular book value. Now if you talk about the dividend yield, company is paying dividend also, very good dividend paying company. It is showing the dividend yield of this company is just 3.03, return on capital employed 36.3, return on equity 31.9. both are very good. Face value 10. Okay, now if you talk about the PEG ratio, the PEG ratio is less than 1 is very good. Right now the PEG ratio is showing 0.12, which is very excellent. Equity capital of this company just 3.35, very low equity capital right now, and current ratio is just 1.19, and current ratio is 1.19, showing that the particular current asset something is the 1.19 times of the particular liabilities. Price to book value is showing 1.37. As I told you, the book value is 84 and current by 116, which is very good sign. The company's current price is near to the particular book value. Now growth factor of this company is 6. Pyotrowski of the key, Pyotrowski key is also very sign. So whenever you see more than 6 or equal to 6 is very good Pyotrowski key. So right now it's showing 6. Return on asset for the 5 year 12%. Debt to profit showing 0.07. Company is having some debt, and this particular debt they are recovering very fast. Now Altman Z score, its company Altman Z score showing just 4.99, and difference of intrinsic value just minus 18 crore. That is very good sign. Solid check 1 is showing that the particular current equity capital before 10 year back the equity capital both are same. So right now the solid check is 1 is very good sign. EPS for latest quarters, as we have seen that the sales variation of this company is showing just 2.84. Now profit variation for last 10 years 16.4. You can see that the company's profit variation is something very good than the particular sales. Now unplaced promoter holding is 74.5. excellent. The promoter is not leaving a single piece of share in this particular company. Now let's see the last 10 quarter performance of the company. If you see here the sales growth of this particular company, you can see that the company sales was just 3.8 crore in 2020 till December 2020. After that company sales are improving slowly 4 crore to 5 crore to 4 crore, again 4 5, and now it's still around 4.2 crore in March 2023. If you see here the overall sales growth in the percentage here in the right hand side, it is saying that the company sales growth is negative in last 3 quarter, minus 4%, minus 10%, minus 9%. But after the COVID started maybe the June 2021, September 2021, the sales was very excellent. 174% growth, 100% growth, 19.95% growth. So these are very excellent for this company. But now few quarters the sales are something flat or something down. But you have to check every time with your advisor before taking further position any kind of stock in the share market. Now let's talk about the EBITDA growth of this particular company. The EBITDA growth of this company, if you see that the company's EBITDA growth is showing that 58 lakhs, 78 lakhs, 62 lakhs, 50 lakhs, 52 lakhs, 64 lakhs, 80 lakhs. So these are the something EBITDA their company creating. But March 2023 the overall EBITDA is showing 33 lakh. Now if you see here the right hand side, the chart is showing the growth of the EBITDA growth in percentage. In the June 2021 the percent 388% growth. In September 833% growth. But after that, after the September 2021, the growth was in negative trend. Okay, now you have to always check with your advisor before taking further position in this company. Now let's talk about the last 10 quarter interest paid by the company. Very very good. The company is not having single rupees of debt. Company is not paying single rupees interest to the particular bank because of the loan or because of the debt. This is also very very good sign. Now now talk about the PAT growth of this particular company, profit after tax. If you see that the company's profit after tax is showing around 50 lakhs, 30 lakh, 40 lakh, 1 crore, 80 lakh, 5 crore, 1.7 crore, 1.5 crore of this particular company, as per the March 2023, 1.15 crore for this particular company, the PAT, overall PAT is showing. Now if you talk about the percentage growth of the PAT percentage growth, you can see here that the company's percentage growth is showing that in September 2022 the growth was 1000%. After that 14% down. After that 135% growth in this overall PAT for this company. Now if you talk about the EPS of the last 10 quarter, it is showing that the EPS of 1.75, now it's showing 3.43 as per the March 2023. So you have to always check with the advisor before taking further position in this company. Now if you talk about the last 10 years sales growth of this company, how the sales was moving last 10 year, in the 2014 the sales was just 13 crore. After then in 2015 the sales was 14 crore. In 2016 sales was 17 crore. After that every year companies slowly at least 50 lakhs or 1 crore increasing their sales, until March 2023 the sales was showing 18.5 crore. When corona came, when everything is bad, the company sales down to 11.88 crore. But after that the sudden increase in this overall sales and showing 18.42 crore in the March 2022, and March 2023 it's again reached to the highest ever sales, 18.7 crore. Now if you talk about the sales growth of this last 10 years, if you see here the 10-year sales growth, the company is showing 1.53 growth in March 2023, but in March 2022 the growth was 55.03% in the sales. Now if you talk about last 10-year EBITDA growth, the EBITDA was moving down, maybe because of the high price raw material, or maybe the all kind of other expenses. The company's EBITDA is going maybe down here. You can say operating margin is something not that much enough. So if you talk about the here, they're showing 1.81 crore in March 2023, but this company was maintaining 2.74 crore profit till since 2014, and also 2.72 crore in March 2020. After that there is sudden down in this overall EBITDA growth. If you talk about the percentage growth of this company, okay, if you talk about the percentage growth of this company, showing that 20.73 negative March 2023 the EBITDA percentage growth, the year-on-year basis. And if you talk about the how much margin they are getting in this EBITDA, margin is 9.69 margin as per March 2023. That is also the matter of concern. But every year the EBITDA margin is going down. That is also a matter of concern for this company. But you have to always check with the advisor before taking further position in this company, because the EBITDA margin going down, maybe because of the other raw material costs, sometimes it's a good opportunity in the good company, but always check with the advisor before taking further position. Now last 10-year interest paid. In last 10 years the company was paying interest almost 29 lakh rupees in 2014. After in 2015 again 4 lakh, 1 lakh, 1 lakh interest, and then 2019 again 10 lakhs interest. In March 2020 again they paid 9 lakh interest, but after that the company is paying very less interest. This is very good sign the company is maintaining high and strong balance sheet. Now let's talk about the PAT growth of this company. 2014 the PAT was 1.52 crore. Okay. After that, after last few years, the PAT was consistent the same price. But after that, in March 2022, they got 2.6 PAT, profit after tax. But if you see here, the March 2023, the PAT is showing 8.32 crore. Excellent. And you can see here PAT margin for last 10 years is 2014 was 11% PAT margin, but PAT margin March 2023 44.46% PAT margin. Net profit, same situation. Here the sales, the net profit was showing 1.2, 1.5, 1.4, 1.4, and then in March 2022 2.6, and March 2020 8.32 crore net profit. And the overall growth, if you talk about the net profit margin, how much? The 44.46 net profit margin in percentage showing in March 2023. Very, very good sign. In last 10 years, the EPS growth, if you see here, that the company's EPS is also increasing for 4.53 now in March 2014, and then after that the March 2022 7.7, and March 2023 is 24.8 EPS showing for this company. Now let's talk about the three important key information like return on equity capital, return on capital employed, return on equity, and return on asset growth. Here the return on equity is showing here 13.4 as per March 2022, return on capital employed 17.19, and return on asset 11.96. These three values now it's showing higher in as per the March 2023 because it's not coming in the stock as, that's why I'm showing till March 2022. Now if you talk about here the last book value is also showing 17.1, but right now the book value is 18.4 as per the screener. But if you see here that the company is also the overall book value increasing as per last 10-year information. Working capital also, this is the one matter of concern, the company's working capital increasing 44.43. so now they are getting payment in 44 days. Now here you see the last 10 years shareholding pattern, shareholding fund, how much shareholder funds are there. So reserves are growing. Okay, you can see in the left hand side reserves are growing from 10.97 crore to now 24.8, and you can say the share capital is very, very solid here. Company's management is not changing a single piece of particular share in this company. Now what is the non-current liabilities? Non-current liabilities zero in March 2020. Very, very good. No, current liability is also very, just 2.52 crore, and the company is maintaining very, very good here the balance sheet here. Now what is the asset? If you talk about non-current asset 20.73 as per March 2023, which is the highest ever for this company. Current asset is 2.99, is the highest ever. And if you talk about the what is the inventory they are having, 0.65 inventory, which is something consistent as per last 10 years. Just in March 2022 the particular inventory was higher. Now sundry debtor, they are going to receive some payment from the outside. It is showing just 7 lakh rupees as per March 2023. Okay, but if you talk about the cash and bank, company is having 1.7 crore cash in the cash and bank as per March 2023, but company maintain very good cash here is 2 crore, 1.24 crore, 1.3 crore, and still 1.7 is also very, very good. Other assets also increased by the 53 lakhs. Earlier it was 19 lakh, 16 lakh, 15 lakh, 20 lakh, but right now it's 53 lakh the other asset. That promoter holding, if you talk about promoter holding, promoters holding intact 74.5% and not selling a single piece of the share. And here you can see the non-institution is also holding 25.5, not selling a single piece of the share in this particular company. Now what is the company name? What is the website? The company name, okay, the company name here is G Industries Ltd. Okay, and this particular G Industries Ltd established in 1994 as a new company foray in the healthcare sector, and time private initiative and first division G Healthcare Calcutta Infertility Clinic. So this is the company name G Industries Ltd, established in 1994. And if you talk about here the G Media Care Calcutta Hope Infertility Clinic came into operation in December 1995 as a complete diagnostic center and daycare and nursing home facility providing a wide range of medical services in the field of pathology, radiology, cardiology, gastroenterology, infertility, minimum invasive surgery, as well as the multi-specialty clinic. So G Medicare within the couple of years made a mark of itself in the city and was well-known brand in the healthcare sector in the Kolkata as well as suburb, and especially in the South Kolkata was termed in the term of best in South. So these are the some companies information. In 2016 company started its operation division as a name of G Nursing Home, and also a 53 bedded indoor establishment in South Kolkata. So these are the some key information about the, you can see here the company's division, G Medicare Kolkata, and G Nursing Home, G Pharmacy. So these are the different branches of this company, okay, within the Kolkata.